Vinca plant is the best plant for a beginner because it's very easy to grow. In this video, we will discuss a few Vinca plant care tips that will help you grow them even more faster. So keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing in Vinca plant care is understanding its growing season. Vinca plant is a warm area plant that likes hot months of the year to grow. Their ideal temperature range is 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. In this range, it produces more and more leaves and flowers. Its growing season starts in the early summers and continues over the whole summers as long as the temperature is ideal. But once the winter starts, it becomes stressed and goes under dormancy. Yellowing leaves and a stunted growth is normal at this time. Just keep the plant in a bright shade. It can pass the winters if you have a perennial variety of Vinca, but the hybrid Vinca have a shorter life, so it dies in winters. Overall, Vinca plant can be planted, pruned, fertilized, repotted in summers, while you should avoid all of this in winters. Another very important thing in Vinca plant care is its soil media. In general, Vinca plant can survive in any kind of mixture, but if you want fast and healthy growth, you should use a well-draining and a sandy mixture. If your soil is a little acidic, it also promotes new buds on the plant, so optimize your soil mix this way. You can also make such a soil mix at home using simple ingredients. Video is added in the description box. Otherwise, make sure the soil is not blocking the moisture from draining, because this could be really harmful. And here you can also subscribe to our channel. Another important thing in Vinca Rosea care is to place it in an ideal spot. Vinca plant is a flowering plant and likes a well-lit sunny area. In a bright shade, Vinca plant can survive, but the best growth appears in a sunny area. So at least make sure of 3 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. Deficiency of light can also appear in the form of pale yellow leaves. Yellow leaves are common in Vinca plant, so if you are dealing with this issue, you can follow an article added in the description box. Another important thing in Vinca plant care is pruning regularly. Vinca plant grow fast when the ideal season starts, so here proper pruning can be very helpful. With the time to time pruning, Vinca plant grow more and more branches, leaves and flowers. So simply cut off the upper growing shoots whenever they grow long. Use a sharp cutter and clean it with hydrogen peroxide. You can also buy hydrogen peroxide and a cutter from the description box link. Another important thing in Vinca plant care is proper fertilization. Vinca plant is a low to moderate feeder that can survive on normal fertilization. You can use any balanced fertilizer containing the essential nutrients. You can also use this homemade fertilizer made just for flowering plants. Video on this is added in the description box. And fertilize your Vinca plant every 2 weeks in its growing season. Another thing in Vinca plant care is to plant it in a good size pot. Vinca plant can be grown in a 5 to 7 inches of a pot, but as it grows fast, so you should also repot it once a year. You can use such a grow bag or a plastic pot. Best time for repotting is springs and rainy days. There is a simple guide about successfully repotting a plant added in the I button. You can follow that. Vinca plant is a hardy and pest-resistant plant, and if you follow a proper care, problems wouldn't appear. Common issues of Vinca plant includes rotting stem, yellow leaves, etc., which appears mostly due to overwatered condition. So use the mixture added in the video description. Pests like leaf miners, spider mites can appear on Vinca plant. For that, you can use Neem spray. The video on Neem is also added in the description box. So it's all about Vinca plant care tips. Here is a video on Hibiscus plant growing tips if you like to know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.